Should you laminate your property documents or not? Watch this video to find out. Hi, my name is Gaurav Dembla and I am the founder of Vertical Spaces. So in my recent deal with one of the buyers and seller of the property, I found out that the actually seller got his critical documents in his file laminated. The critical documents were his last sale deed and his conveyance deed, which is a freehold document. So during the meeting, buyer asked that whether I'm gonna get the loan on this property document or not, because he was a bit apprehensive because of the lamination. So we told him that, well, you are most welcome to take this document to the bank and ask them whether they are willing to give the loan or not. And we did that procedure and we took the documents to the bank, to which bank actually rejected the loan because of the lamination. And we asked the bank that what was the reason behind their rejecting this loan, and the reason that they give that these days lot of property documents are coming for the loan and they are laminated, and due to the case of fraud documents, like sometimes people get their original document colored copy and get it laminated, and due to this we have a strict guideline from Reserve Bank of India to reject these kinds of documents. So to which we asked them that what is the solution for that, and bank suggested that if you want to get a loan on this kind of a document which is laminated, well, I highly urge you to get a affidavit signed from the seller that this is the true this is the laminated copy and it's a original copy which has been laminated, and get one certified true copy from the competitive authority of that area of that state. Like if I talk about Delhi, then Delhi Development Authority is the competitive authority which can issue the true certified copy of that document which I am talking about in this video, like freehold document which is conveyance deed, and for sale deed you can go to the sub registrar office and get the true certified copy of that document, which can be submitted to the bank along with those laminated documents, to which a bank can consider to give you the loan. Otherwise, it's wholly on the discretion of the bank whether to consider or reject these kinds of documents to give the loan. So I would highly urge the sellers and buyers, whenever you are buying a property, never get your documents laminated. Instead of that, buy these plastic insertions and put your property documents in those insertions and seal them to keep your property documents safe and long life. I hope now you got the clarity why not to get your property documents laminated. And if you like this video, do share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. This is Gaurav Dembla signing off.